Mama, what is it? Hey! Mama! You're running the temperature.
Lechi, just leave me alone, let me die. Let me die and go and rest.
Mama, God forbid. You will not die.
Lechi, you've done more than enough for me. Please do me this favor and leave me to die.
Mama, I can't. I can't stand by and watch you do this. Eh? Hey! Let me go and get you drugs, Mama. Because no. Mama, I'm coming.
You don't want me to follow you, eh? Please buy me something good. Buy me this fine gown, the one that will reach me here. And also those fine heels. And also Ankara.
Sheta, only you.
You need a fine gown, rainy heels, Ankara. You alone. Mama, please, what do you want me to buy for you?
Must you worry about me too?
Of course, Mama.
You know what will fit an old woman like me? Anything your money can afford, Mom, you get for me. I will accept it.
Don't worry, I'll buy something nice for you.
Thank you.
What of you, Auntie Lechi?
Yeah. Hey, Christy, anything nice?
Okay.
Please don't forget to buy me this raining bag. You know those ones that when you can carry, can carry it like this. Please, I beg you.
Don't worry, I'll buy Ghana must go for you. Not only bag. Mama, please, I'll see you in the evening time.
Please, Christy.
Alright, Mama.
I'll see you guys in the evening.
Mama, see you later.
Bye-bye. Christy,
Take care, be careful.
Bye-bye.
Be careful, please. Hey!
Come, let's go in now.
Auntie, what's happening? I'm so worried.
Me too, Cheta. At least Christy does not behave like this before. She would have told us that she would not be coming back yesterday. And up till now, nobody has seen her. Hey, Stan has come. I'm sure he has news. Honey,
Are they not back?
Hey!
What must be wrong? And their boot numbers are not going. Anyway, let's not panic over nothing, okay? We'll wait till evening, and if they don't come back, I'll go to Mario's village and find out what is going on.
Yeah, I'm scared though.
Chetan, there's nothing that's going to happen. Relax. Nothing will happen, no. Nothing will happen.
So, it is 2 days now. Christy and her husband have not been heard from.
It's 9. Honestly, and as it is, I think by now I should let me just go to Mario's house and find out what is going on.
Yes.
Oh yes. Oh yes. So we know what happened.
Good everyone.
our Miken Amaro's cousin.
So, what of my sister and where are they? What's wrong with them?
Talk now, talk.
News came to us yesterday that they had an accident.
What?
Accident?
Wait. Hey! When? Where? Talk! Where are they now? Hey! My children! Hey! My children! Where are they? Where are they now?
What is it? You wish! Have you not succeeded again? You have killed my sister and her husband to be right? But before you... Only God knows who's the understand.
Please, not deliver. Help! My children!
Let me kill her now. Let me.
Stanley's okay. Hey! Run, come! Don't do that! No! Please don't do it! My children! Christy! Dad, why have you decided to go for my family? Why don't you come and take me? Come and take me away from this wicked life. My daughter Christy is dead. And I have been accused of killing her. When will this be over? When? Come and take me. Come and take me! I am tired! Go! Come and take me! Come and take me! Come and take me!
Yes. Ugonna. I invited you so that I can talk to you privately. Your silence the day your sister was buried gave me concern. And something inside me tells me that you have something in mind. You're up to something. What exactly do you want to do?
Why can't I just kill that witch?
What? Never you try to take lives, because lives belong to gods. Do not fight for the gods. Allow them to fight themselves, unless you want to bring down curse on this family. Please, my son, don't.
What's nine? Is it when she finished killing everybody in this house before the gods will fight for us?
God.
Huh? When will the gods fight for us?
Ugonna. I've called you 3 times. The ways of gods are not ways of men. Allow them to do the fight themselves. Do not fight for them. I don't know what the problem is with the youths. Yes?
Please come with me now.
Take it easy. What is it?
Stanley want to burn her mother in her heart.
What?
Please come. Come. Please. I'm going.
Hey!
You burn in hell today before you kill all of us. I'm going to burn you. I'll burn you. Nonsense. I'm going to burn you. I'll kill you. Burn you. I'm going to burn this house. I'm going to burn everywhere today. I'll burn you. I'm going to burn you. I'm going to burn you. I'll burn you. Leave that!
Stop!
I'm going to burn you.
Stop! Wait! Stop! Will I bring the matches? Will I bring the matches? Hello,
What? What do you think you're doing? You don't have to kill her.
Let him
No. The fire is on the gods.
She will die.
This is an abomination.
Papa, let me go.
You will be bringing down more curses on this family if you do that. It's an abomination. Let the gods fight for them, for themselves.
Nonsense. You just
That witch has killed another one.
Hey!
That woman needs to be punished. She needs to be butchered like an animal, like a cow for that matter. Hey!
The elder said that we should not lay a finger on her. That the fight is for the gods.
For how long? For how long will gods of our land and even the heavenly God allow that woman to live? For how long? Hey!
Gods.
Hey!
See me like this.
Hey! Gods of our land. Hey! Why won't you be afraid? Why? Is it when he has finished killing the whole family members of yours that the gods will fight back?
No, God forbid. God forbid. Thank God. God knows that I will live to see her confess. I will live to see her stoned to death.
You will leave. Eh? Take heart. You have to take heart. Eh? Take heart. Hey.
Mama, please. I want to apologize to you on my husband's behalf. Please, Mama, forgive him. They don't know what they are doing.
My daughter, I'm not angry with anybody at all. Where are they with? All I see is death. Yes, I can see it. And I'm happy. I'm happy. Let me just go and have eternal rest from this wicked world.
Why are you laughing? Eh? Or are you going mad? Okay, the gods have started punishing you. You haven't seen anything yet. You haven't seen anything yet. What's amusing you? Evil woman. Witch. The gods have not started with you yet.
Since Anyanwu cannot be killed, are we going to fold our hands and wash her until she wipes out her entire family? What I want to know is, what are we going to do to stop her? How do we stop her? I know what to do. Stanley, don't worry. Everything humanly possible must be done to stop her from further evil machination. Listen, I'm relying on you. Be rest assured.
Once again,
thank you. The eyes of the God. Here is my little brother's son,
Stanley. You know him? I know him. I remember the last time you came here with him and his mother.
That was many years ago.
No, many years ago. Nayogazi, I am the eyes of the gods. I remember everything.
Otima the Great.
I am the true son of my father.
Yes. Otima the Great here. We have come to seek protection. Because that woman seeks to wipe out the entire family. There even was another sister of theirs.
I saw it coming. I saw it coming, but you didn't come. Anayere nyeja, udumoyoko. Anayere nyeja. Protection, you ask. Protection is possible. But cost them a lot. It will cost them a lot because I will have to make sacrifices to the gods. I will have to hand them over to the gods. So that after that, whoever that fights them will have the gods to contend with.
The dressing, the eyes of the gods.
Please, how much are we talking about here? Because these children don't have money. Kama no mere nenjo, oh mere nenjo. Naija, do you understand this song?
I understand.
I can't really say it. But I must tell you that I have to do what they will be wearing so that the spirit of death will not come near them. Take my advice. Let them go and look for money. Let us start first. Oh, mere angel. Oh, mere angel.
I just don't know. What are we going to do to raise this money for this sacrifice? I'm just confused.
Hey, brother. Instead of we giving this money to the native doctor, or we killing ourselves thinking of how to raise the money, let's go and see that prophet I told you about.
Can you just imagine? Can you imagine? And then, what do you even know? Come on, shut up! The chon us up!
Bros, I think I have an idea. You see that land close to that Udo road?
Okay.
I think it's best we sell that land.
Sell it?
Yes. I mean, our lives are more precious than the land.
Okay, I think you have a point.
So, Oga, how do you see the land?
I've seen the land. The land is okay. Stable land. So I'm going to give you 150,000.
Huh?
150.
For what? Oga, please, this land is 500,000 naira last. And it's just because we need money. Huh?
You know that Maga want to build factory on this land. And it will benefit you guys. So I'm going to give you 300,000.
Say, listen. It's 400,000 that we're going to sell this land last. If you want to buy it, buy it. If you don't want to buy it, leave it. Please.
The last we can pay is 350,000. Consider it.
Okay, let's go so that you can pay us. We'll sell it. It's not because... Let's just go. Let's go.
These 4 pots represent your pots of lives. Stanley, step down. Take one of these pots, go there and wash your face.
No. You want to go there with your slippers?
Pull it up! Take one of the pots, go there and wash your face. Ugonna, come. Take one of these pots, go and wash your face. Cheta, take one of these pots, go and wash your face. Leche, take that one and go there and wash your face. Stanley, drop that pot. Drop it here. Tie this on your neck. Drop your own. Tie it on your neck. Tie it on your neck. Tie it on your neck. Stanley, where is that woman?
She's in her house.
Go and bring her.
Don't even make noise. Don't just make noise. Come on, move.
Woman! This is your last warning. These children are now in God's hands. Do not hurt them. This is your last warning. You can go back to your house.
Shita, how are you today? My dear, I'm fine, no. The native doctor came. He even warned that woman not to touch us again.
That's very good for her. That's so wonderful. So what did she say?
Nothing now. Did she say something before? Nothing.
Anyways, I've come to tell you that I'll be joining my husband to the city tomorrow. I'll miss you so dearly.
Are you serious? So I'll be left alone in this village, eh?
No, I'll come back very soon.
God is watching you. I will manage.
Very soon, eh?
I just hope that by the time you come back, that witch might have died and our lives and freedom.
That's my prayer. And I'll keep on praying. Okay? Don't worry. She'll die very soon.
Onye kpọrọ enyi ọkwa ya na-egbu gị anya ukwu na-efu
Why are you leaving so late?
I finished the housework late. That's why I'm rushing down now. Okay. Have you finished the day's work?
No, the contractor in charge of the building didn't come today, so I asked all the workers to go home.
Hey. It's okay. Let me hurry, oh?
Okay. Leshu, why are you not wearing your neck bead?
My neck... Hey. I forgot.
You forgot? Short, you go back home to wear it now.
Bikon. Hey, the house is far from here. Don't worry, oh? Tomorrow I'll wear it and I will not forget it again.
I don't like this thing, I don't like it, oh.
I'm sorry. Bikon. Sorry, oh?
I'll go.
Sorry. Be careful, oh, yeah? Hey. Sorry. Oh?
Thank you.
If I never know not tomorrow, if I'm not for no not tomorrow, only for any of a yane boogie, and you could never on your mamma don't never. Ever, oh, Jaka, I'm on your boy, I'm on the ever, oh, Jaka, I'm on your boy, I'm on the
What happened? Is she okay?
Madam, no. She's lost too much blood.
Hey, don't talk in and stock from my own and give to her, please.
I don't think you understand me, madam. You can't donate your blood. Moreover, you look too weak. Madam, we sell blood here in this hospital.
Doctor, me, I look weak. I'm very strong. It's the eh? Okay, but since you sell, can you please transfer to her? I will pay.
Anyway, that depends on you. You better hurry.
Okay, doctor. No, I'm coming home. I do. There you go.
It's 10,000 naira.
10,000. So, where is the doctor?
They said they'll tell them.
Okay, let me wait then.
Okay,
Good afternoon. Is it now you're coming back from market?
That's my son. Oh. I decided to come and see your wife before I go home. See, I bought things for her.
Oh, thank you. Anyway, me, I'm just coming back from where I went to. Let me go inside and call her.
Stanley, Mom. You will soon be a father. You will soon be a father.
Yes, Auntie, I'm so happy. I can't wait, honestly.
Please go and call her.
Okay,
I wait here, eh? I wait. I come and collect it so I can go.
Honey, where are you? Honey? Boss. I have to go. Did you see my wife?
No, when I came home, I did not meet anybody.
She didn't tell me she was going out anywhere else.
Yeah, how are you?
Doctor, how is she?
She's okay. Just that she had this premature contraction.
Yeah.
All she needs right now is rest. Very good rest. Meanwhile, have you made the payment?
Yes, doctor. I have paid the money. Doctor, please, I want to ask for a favor.
Alright, go ahead.
Doctor, you have to send... I would like you to send a message to Anukat's compound in Eziaja village, informing them of her whereabouts.
Sorry, I thought she's your daughter.
Yes. Man, no. I'm just a good Samaritan.
Okay, no problem. I'll do just that.
Doctor, thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Doctor, yes. Please, can I see her?
I didn't see her. Just wondering. She didn't say she was going in.
Is this not blood?
Where?
Is this still not blood?
Hey! Auntie, this thing looks like blood.
It's blood!
And where did this one come from? And my wife is now at home. Are you saying you didn't see her at home?
I came, I did not see anybody. You're surprising me.
Just look at
this thing. Is it not blood?
It's blood now.
This is not good.
I don't like
Where
this.
is
my wife?
I'm just coming back.
I don't like this at all.
So what? How can somebody? Nobody knows where my wife is.
Who is there? Is anybody here?
Let's What is it?
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon. How can we help you?
Is this Anuka's compound?
Yes.
I was told to tell Mr. Stanley that his wife is in the hospital.
Huh? Which hospital? Where?
At the village health center.
The health center?
Yes, sir.
Somebody has to stay behind now. Let's stay behind and wait. All of us cannot leave the house. Hey! What is it? Sit down, let's wait. Hey! Oh, I just hope that nothing will happen to the hospital. I said it. It was blood that I saw at the backyard.
We still have a good Samaritan in this village.
It beats me, and you know the strange part of it is that only God knows who the good Samaritan is. Anyway, I'm sure someday we'll figure it out somehow. Please, I wanted to find out how much our bill is for now, so that I can quickly go around and raise the money since we're going to be discharged today.
There is no bill to be paid, sir. The money deposited here covers everything, all expenses. The hospital even refund 3,000 naira to you.
Who must have deposited money?
Here's the balance.
You said somebody deposited money.
Yes, sir.
And I have change.
It was deposited by a good Samaritan.
Thank you.
Hey, honey, you're back?
Yes, sir.
How did you go?
Fine.
Hey! You just got back. Let me get you something to eat first.
No, not now. Let's finish this first.
Are you sure?
Yes. Let's finish this. This orange is sweet.
Because I'm feeling for me. I live the night sweet up here.
Anil, I'll be going to Lagos tomorrow.
Lagos?
Yes, I'm going with a Joffo. He's going to buy a car.
Oh.
So he said I should follow him and drive the car back to the village.
Okay.
He has also offered to pay me 20,000 for the service.
That's good. That's good. So, when are you coming back now?
In 2 or 3 days' time.
Okay. As long as you take care of yourself.
Okay. But that doesn't mean I will leave without dropping something small for my wife to take care. Huh? My good wife. Just manage this till I come back.
Stop.
What? Thank you. Must you always thank me?
Yes.
Why?
Because you're a good man.
But you are a wonderful woman. How many men get spoiled like this?
Stan!
Yeah? Ejiofor?
Are you not ready yet?
I'm ready. It's you that I've been waiting for now.
Good afternoon. Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon. Good morning. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Honey, this is Ejiofor, the one I told you about, that we're traveling to Lagos together.
Hey, you're welcome.
Madam, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Be careful. Oh?
I will, my love.
Be careful.
Thank you. I'll miss you.
Me too.
Bye-bye.
Ifem fugolo no amo, agama kolonye. Ifu amu bukelumo, agame bukelonye. Okwina lunkegyo, uwe bulubiaba. Obonya kaya dacha, chuku na fuya, chuku na fobi imala, bala makebe.
How are you? I'm very well, thank you, Mama.
I heard what happened. I'm sorry I couldn't come. I can't enter where you live.
I understand, Mama.
You're better now.
Yes, I'm better.
Take care of yourself.
Nkechi, where are you coming from?
I went to the hospital for my medical checkup.
What were you doing with that witch? Eh? No, I'm asking you, what were you doing with that witch?
Ugonna, Mama is not a witch.
Say who?
Mama is not a witch.
Mama is a witch. She is a witch. She's our mother. She's a witch.
Hey, come back here. I'm talking to you. I'm walking out of you. Tell him Mama is not a witch. See your mama, Mama is not a witch.
Ugonna.
You go what?
You see a witch, won't you know?
Hey! Hey, what? What are you doing with that witch? Hey, what?
You're telling Mama is not. Mama is not. You don't have the right. I'm talking to you. I'm telling Mama is not.
Just leave her. Let's just leave her. Leave her. Just free her. Mama is not a witch. She's our mother. She's a witch.
Can you imagine? Telling Mama is not a witch.
Mama, that was exactly what happened in the house today.
Ugonna, thank God you did not hit her. Eh? And you don't have to try that nonsense again. Don't try that nonsense again. A pregnant woman? Eh? Ugonna, or do you want to beat a pregnant woman?
Mama, see, not like I want to beat her up. But you see, I am beginning to suspect that that witch has bewitched her. And I am ready to beat that witch out of her.
Ugonna, you want to beat your elder brother's wife? A pregnant woman? Ugonna, you don't have to do something like that. That is wickedness. You don't have to do something like that. Yeah? You must have to take it easy with her. No matter what she does to you, you will wait until her husband comes back. Do you hear me? I will not support you in this one. No, I won't support you at all. Don't do something like that again.
So, how is your brother and his wife? Do you know that? Do you know that witch has bewitched her? She has bewitched her. Eh? That mother of yours is so powerful. I mean, she's not supposed to be your mother. That witch is so powerful. Whether she's powerful or not powerful, if she cannot die spiritually, I will kill her physically. Me, Cheta, I will personally kill her.
This is not a physical fight though. Your prayer to God should be that the battle should be his. Why the victory? Yours, before she will bewitch you. Hey? Hey! You just have to take it easy.
Take it easy. Take it easy. How can I take it easy? Tell me, how can I take it easy? When all my hopes of going to school and living a good life has been destroyed by that witch. Has been destroyed by her. How can I take it easy? If not for my auntie, tell me how for take they survive.
Hey! That woman is so good. God will bless her.
Bless her.
Hi.
Hey, where are you going to? Oh, you want to go and give that witch food, Abi? Oh, now she has bewitched you.
Cheta, please. Biko, I don't have strength for your trouble this morning. Because no matter what you say, this food, I must go and give it to you.
Okay, you are not going anywhere. 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 You are not going anywhere.
You know I'm pregnant. You want to beat me and the child?
I don't want to beat you. I don't want to beat you, but you're not going to give that witch anything. You don't. Okay. On your must see why. You want to go and give her food, Abi? Don't worry. When your husband comes back, I will report it to him. Tell him. I will report it to him. Nonsense. On your must see why.
Mama, go, please go. I don't want to put you in trouble, Biko. I don't mind these people. I brought you food. Go and eat. I'll eat. Go, Jebezie. Please. Jebe. Just go. Jebezie, go.
Nine.
Who did this to you? What happened? Calm down. What happened?
Now, on our way to Lagos, robbers attacked us. And some people jumped out of the window and some people ran into the bush. So when the robbers are gone, I came back to the bus and I saw Stanley there. The police came to take his body away.
Hey! Alueme, how do I tell this to his people? How do I relate this to his pregnant wife? Why now?
Now what do we do?
Stanley, why now? Hey! Millions on of ya.
Like, please, what do we do, please?
Hey!
So, my dear, you have to take it easy. Such is life.
Hey! I told him to be careful. Hey! I told him to be careful. Take it easy.
God has given and God has taken. And be a man of the family that you are. The only sister you to console your mother and your younger sister.
It's okay. Remember your condition, please. It's okay.
We're like cocks in a poultry. Whenever it dawns on the owner of the poultry to dip his hand and take the chicken cannot say no.
Please. I told him to be careful. I know. 20,000. Hey! 20,000 for the bag. What is this?
Who's shouting? What kind of noise is this? God, please, don't let anybody die. God, please. Chukuna Biko. Olisabiko, please help me. Don't let anybody die. Olisabiko.
Don't come into this house again. Stop it! To this house again. Stop!
Obugini kange mezi chai aleze ni kwa mame penge bide bido uale chai elu ankale elu ankao chai aleze ni kwa mame penge bide bido uale chai elu ankale elu ankao chai aleze ni kwa mame penge bide bido only sabini kwe chai akwimana kamuti na bere monumo chai aleze ni kwa mame penge bide bido elu ankale elu ankale elu ankao chai aleze ni kwa mame penge bide bido.
I said it. Ugonna, tell us why you threw this woman's things out. Tell us.
Now, that woman is a witch. She's responsible for the death of her husband. She cannot live under the same roof with us, so she has to go.
Elders, I'm innocent. I don't know anything about this. Please, I am an orphan. I don't have anywhere else to go. Help me, beg you. Please.
Ugonna, you really want her to go?
Yes.
Good. Tell us where exactly you want her to go.
Now, she can decide to go to the bush if she likes. Now, with all due respect, I don't want to discuss this anymore. Let her leave.
But she's your brother's wife.
Exactly. And that my brother is dead. Yes, so she cannot stay. Let her go. Let her just go.
Ugonna, you really haven't told us where you want this woman to go.
Oh.
You're threatening to throw her out. Tell us where you want her to go.
I don't know, like I said before, but she cannot live here. But okay, fine. Since she has decided to associate herself with that witch, let her go there and join her. So that they can continue doing their witches and wizard things. But as for this house that I built with my money, she cannot stay. You see, my elders, not like I am trying to disobey you people. It's not in my nature to disobey you people. But you see my point, it has to start. She cannot stay. Let her just, if I let her get out. Yes, that's it.
If I'm forgotten, no, I'm
imagine these two witches fetching water from the same place we fetch water. Eh? I feel like reporting them now.
Yes.
So that they will stop them from fetching water from this stream.
Yes.
After killing her 4 children and her husband, I also heard that she and that daughter-in-law just killed the one that just died. I also heard that they are from the same place.
You mean they're from the same convent?
I'm telling you.
But how can that pregnant woman kill her own husband?
They are witches.
They are indeed great witches. Please, let's go and fetch water before they'll come and kill us in this bush.
Come, you say fetch water? You want to die? This water is hot. I cannot fetch water here. I am leaving.
Come now. Me too, I'm going. I don't want to die here.
It's you. So you came into this village and you could not look for me, IJ? Come on to send a message across to me, you could not. That's so. Marriage has changed you.
Which one? Which marriage? You know I'm not like that now. I'm not. I have been hiding myself ever since I came to this village. For tongue not to wag. You know our village people and their mouths now.
For tongue not to wag. What happened?
My sister, you will not understand.
What happened now? Meanwhile, how is your husband? Did he come back with you?
Which husband are you talking about?
Your husband now.
My dear, no husband again.
Yes. How? I don't understand.
After I got married to this man and went to the city, guess what I found out? I found out that this man was married with 3 kids.
Yes.
I didn't even know until I got to the city with him. And then, he was maltreating me as if I was a slave. And I had to run before he kills me.
Hey! Kodo. Thank God that man did not kill you. Thank God. See, men, God forbid. But wait though. I thought you said your prophet gave you the assurance that he was the right man for you. And that you prayed. And that he also prayed.
That fake prophet, he lied to me. Yes, he did. He lied to me just to get my money. I even heard that he raped somebody's wife. A rich man for that matter. And the man arrested him. He was so fake. He fooled me. Yes, he blindfolded me. Yes, Cheta. That was what he did. My sister, look at me now. Look at Ijoma that you used to know.
Cheta! 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 So what's wrong with you now? I've been calling your name. What is it?
Remember that my friend Ijoma?
Ijoma. That one that got married?
Yes. I saw her today and she told me something. Something that has been making me think seriously.
Like something like what?
You know that man? That man she took me to go and see. The prophet now. The prophet that told us that Mama is responsible for everything that's been happening to us. She said the man is fake.
Why would she say a thing like that? Was she not the one that took you to the man saying he was a great seer?
But her case made her believe so. Her case made her say that the man is a very fake prophet.
How do you mean?
You know she got married before. And the man she got married to has been married before, even with 3 kids. And the man has been maltreating her. This was the same man the prophet told her was the right person for her. That's why she said the man is a fake prophet.
I feel for her. But why are you thinking about it?
If the man is a fake prophet, that means everything he told us about Mama, everything, that means they are all lies. All lies now.
Okay, fine. Even if the man is fake, and you feel that everything they said about Mama are all lies, what about the native doctor? Is that one also fake?
Native doctor?
Yes.
I better leave all these native doctor things. You know I don't believe in them. I'm just confused, like, I don't even know what to believe anymore. Hey, you need to hear her talk. She was so convinced that that man is a very fake prophet. I'm confused.
Lechi, this water was gotten from the water used in washing your husband's cups. Since you said you are innocent of killing your husband, you have to drink this water.
Nine, I didn't kill my husband. My hands are clean. I didn't kill my husband. I couldn't have killed my husband. Please, I can't drink this water because I didn't kill my husband. Please.
Take it! Drink it! Drink it!
Hey! Oh! Hey!
My daughter, it's a nightmare. You just had a nightmare. It's okay. It's okay.
Lechi, based on the allegation that you have a hand in your husband's death and their continued insistence that you knew nothing about it, I want you to prove your innocence by placing your hand on his coffin and say that you know nothing about his death.
I'm innocent, Nine. I didn't kill my husband. If I am responsible for my husband's death, may it never be well with me. But if I am innocent, oh, God will vindicate me.
I'll confess! I'll confess! I'll confess! Yes! Me! I killed Ayahu's husband! Yes! I killed her 5 children! I did it! I did it! Oh. They hated me! They never wanted me to be married into their family. All of them hated me! So I hate them. Hate them desperately too. I hated them. When my husband died, I left my only son, who was suffering from epilepsy, under Ayahu's care.
Who is that? You're in the kitchen.
Oh, baby.
I'm in a hurry. I want to rush to the market and come back very fast. kindly look after Ebuka one from you. Oh? Thank you very much. I'll be back fast, eh? Thank you.
Okay, go come.
Mom, bye-bye.
Bye. Ebuka, how are you? See his head. Ebuka, you're going to make yourself useful now. Come and be pounding this pepper. Let me go get something from the store. And be careful. Don't let the pepper enter your eyes. Eh?
Where's my son? Where's my son?
I'm so sorry, okay?
Sorry.
We lost him.
We lost who?
We tried him again.
I cannot lose my son. Hey! Don't you cannot lose my son. My only son. What happened to my son? Where is my son? Where is my son? But she allowed my son to die. And when I lost my son, I could not bear the pain. I could not bear the pain. So, it took me 15 good solid years to have him. I allowed myself to be initiated into the witch's kingdom so that I can revenge back to her for all she did to me. I waited for the children to get to the prime of their age before I started killing them. Oh, ye mother of the forest, I come to you with pain, anger, and vengeance in my heart. I present this family to you as you requested. Oh, mother, kill them. In turns, kill them one after the other until the entire family is wiped out. Let their father not be alive to eat out of the hand of their children. Let their mother be despised by her children. Because she allowed my only son, Ebuka, to die. Let her feel my pain, my tears. Let her mourn her children one after the other, like I mourned my son, Ebuka. Oh, ye mother of the forest, let her children love me. Let them see me as their mother. While I return, wipe out the entire family. Let her feel my pains, because I despised her. As I nail them on this tree, let their lives, destiny, be nailed on this tree forever. I will return to give thanks to you, O ye mother of the earth. I shall forever be royal to you. Avenge my cause. I programmed it. Oh, I programmed it in such a way that whenever she goes, accusing fingers shall be pointed at her. I made her children hate her so much and love me instead. How wanted I am to feel the pain, the loneliness, the tears that I felt when I lost my only child. Oh, Queen of the Forest, I have come to show my respect. I need another life to cry tonight. They have smiled for so long. Take another life and put a stop to their laughter. I'll show you more respect, oh Mother of the Forest. This is my appreciation. I feel pain. I feel pain all over me now. I feel pain. I feel pain all over me. I've wronged you. I've wronged you. Forgive me. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry.
If I'm forgotten, no, I'm if you want to
Naija.